Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Janus, creator of Pinoy Tech Dad. Today we're going to be unboxing a new phone, and this is the Realme X7. So what I have here is the non-pro version. So let's go ahead and check out the quick unboxing after this intro. Alright, so right off the bat we get a jelly case, and this is a soft case, and I always appreciate when phone companies provide a free jelly case like this. Next up, let's check out the accessories that come with the box. So we have here a USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. This already tells you that the X7 doesn't have a headphone jack. And then we have a 65-watt superdart charger and a USB Type-C cable, and we also have the SIM ejector pin right here. Now let's go ahead and check out the phone itself, and we actually have a very slim phone. As you can see, I have the Realme 6 right beside the X7, and of course the Realme X7 is not actually the direct successor of the Realme 6, but I just thought it would be interesting to see the two phones side by side. If you are wondering how light this is, because this is really light, here's its weight. It only weighs at 178 grams as compared to the Realme 6 that we have here, which weighs around 197 grams. Going back to the Realme X7, so this one is quite interesting because this promises to be an affordable option at around $300 plus. And the great thing about this is that it has an AMOLED display at 6.4 inches Full HD, and it has a very interesting chipset as well, because this is the first time that I'm going to be taking a look at a phone with a Dimensity 800U chipset. And also here's its Antutu benchmark score. And as for its camera, it has a quad camera setup, with its main camera being a 64 megapixel Sony IMX686. And then it also has an 8 megapixel 16mm ultra wide angle lens, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and of course a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The front facing camera is a punch hole camera here on the upper left corner, and this is, by the way, a 32 megapixel front facing camera. And then looking at its ports, we have a down firing speaker right here, and a USB Type-C port, a microphone, and a dual SIM card slot. Unfortunately, there's no memory card slot here, so that's a shame. And then we have the power button on the right side and the volume controls on the left side. Something that I really love about its back panel is that it's not super glossy. It reminds me a lot of my Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro, so that's a really good start for this phone so far. And by the way, this is the island blue colorway, so you have a little bit of hint of white on the upper portion of the phone, and then it's mostly blue or teal at the bottom. Now you might be wondering, where is the fingerprint scanner? Again, this is an AMOLED display, so it now has an under display fingerprint scanner, which is, I think, the first Realme phone that I'll be trying with an under screen fingerprint sensor. By the way, the one that I have is a China ROM version, and of course, since this is a China ROM, you don't have the Google Play Store yet, but you can definitely install it here. So here it is, the Realme X7, and we'll be talking more about this in the channel. If you have any questions about this phone, if you're excited about it, let me know in the comment section. I'll be doing the tests that I normally do with phones when I do a phone review, camera test, gaming test, and whatever test that you guys might want to see. Let me know in the comment section again. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this very quick short video about the Realme X7. I just wanted it to be out there since I haven't seen a lot of unboxing videos yet on the Realme X7. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button so you can watch more videos like this in the future. That's it for today, guys. Keep safe and have a great day.